Dear students, we will do a new module, module 14. You have to remember module 14 and 15 is two same topic. I have divided it into two because it's so many points I have to explain. Now you will be wondering what is the topic. The topic is about characteristics of salary. Many points are there. So we have half the points I have included in module 14, half the points I have included in module 15. So we will see module 14, that is first part of characteristics of salary. Now we are coming to the main heading, computation of salary income. So we have to learn so many things, then only we can calculate the salary, taxable salary. So for that, the theory part is important, then each component like pension, gratuity, leave encashment, all that we have to calculate. Then total salary, taxable salary we will compute. So here this is the first step. First point is relationship of employer and employee. Employer and employee. Employer and employee. This is very important. When you take up a job, you sign an agreement, work contract or that agreement you will sign. So that is the master servant agreement relationship. Then that is very important to tax this income under the head salary. So that is the employer-employee relationship should be there. Second point is no distinction between salary and wages. Salary and wages. See, wages is usually given for casual workers. Then salary, if you are going on a regular basis, you will get. But there is no distinction between salary and wages under Income Tax Act. Both are taxed under the income head salaries. Third point is salary from more than one employer. Salary from more than one employer. More than one employer, you have to remember. Salary is taxable on due or receipt basis, whichever is earlier. So this is very important when we do the problems. Salary received from multiple employers is clubbed together and taxed under the head. You have seen part-time lecturers going to different organizations. So from different organizations they will get salary. Everything will be clubbed and taxed under the head salary. Fourth is nature of employer. Nature of employer. Nature of employer meaning you have to remember whether it can be private sector, whether it can be public sector, government, semi-government, all this possible. So wherever you are getting that salary income, it will be taxed under this head. Salary from past, present or post prospective employer. Present, past or prospective. Now how this is possible? Salary from the present employer. You are working somewhere, you are getting. Earlier 2 months back you are working with another organization. That salary was due. You are getting in this current previous year. It is taxed. Prospective employer. Sometimes if you are very talented, companies will hire you. They will say that 3 months salary we will give you in advance. Come and join the organization. So salary from past, present and prospective will be taxed under this head of income. Now tax-free salary. Tax-free salary meaning you have to remember sometimes if it's a very talented employee, employer will tell that we will pay your tax. That meaning for the employee the gross salary will be taxed and whatever income tax exemption the employer is paying, that will be considered as a perquisite for the employee. Now salary received as member of parliament or MP or MLA. So the first point is employer-employer relationship is very important if you want to tax this income under the head salary. In the case of MP and MLA, they are selected for 5 years. So you have to remember it is not taxed under the head income from salary. It is taxed under income from other sources. The reason is there is no employer-employer relationship in the case of MLA and MP. Now receipts from persons other than employer. Other than employer. See, for example, if I am valuing a PhD thesis, if I am going to another organization as a resource person, whatever money I will get, it will not be taxed under salary. It will go to income from other sources because there is no employer-employer relationship in that income. Next is place of accrual of salary income. Place of accrual. See, salary accrues at the place where services are rendered. If you work in India, it's an Indian income. If you work in USA, it's a foreign income. Say pension also. Pension received in a foreign country for services rendered in India, it's an Indian income. I'll explain the point. Imagine I served as a government servant. After retirement, if I settle in a foreign country, I will get Indian pension. Though I am living in a foreign country, it will be considered as Indian income. I have to pay tax for that. Because the pension I am getting is for the services rendered in India. If I am working in a foreign country, if I was working in a foreign country, I am getting foreign pension, but I am living in India. That will be considered as foreign income because that foreign pension is for the services rendered in a foreign country. So this is what I wanted to explain in this module. 9 points we have learned. For computing salary, income, employer-employer relationship is very important. Salary and wages are considered as same. There is no distinction. It will be taxed under the head salary. Then more than one employer, if you are getting salary, it will be clubbed and taxed. Nature of employer, it can be semi-government, government, private, all that possible. Present, past and prospective employer. Present employer you are getting, you resign from other organization, you are getting something in the current year, it will be taxed. You are getting an incentive for joining a new organization, it will also be taxed. Tax free, if you are getting tax free salary, meaning it will be income tax exemption, whatever your employer is giving is considered as a perquisite for the employee. And your gross salary you have to pay tax. Then MLA or MP, whatever they are receiving, it will be taxed under income from other sources because employer-employer relationship is not there. Then other than employer, if you are getting income for the work you are doing for other organizations, it will be an invited talk or any exam related work or anything like that. It will come under income from other sources because there is no employer-employee relationship. Then place of accrual, where the services are rendered is very important for considering that. So I told you if Indian pension, you are getting Indian pension in a foreign country, it's in Indian income. If it's foreign pension received in India, it's foreign income. So this is what I wanted to explain in this module. Happy learning. Thank you.